How to make your car slower than your grandma's Sunday stroll. We're taking speed and tossing it out the window like yesterday's garbage. Install a giant wing, but backwards.
What?
Spoilers and wings are supposed to increase downforce, but if you install it backwards, it will create lift, effectively turning your car into an airplane. It's the kind of move that'll have you questioning reality. Replace your engine oil with maple syrup. Instead of high-performance oil, opt for the sticky sweetness of maple syrup. Your engine will appreciate the flavor, but not the performance, or will it?
Oh man.
Fill your tires with helium. Pump that lightweight gas into your tires. Helium is lighter than air.
What the hell?
So filling your tires with it will make your car feel like it's floating. Just don't expect to win any drag races. Replace your seats with beanbags. Comfort is key, so swap out those uncomfortable seats for something cozier. Just make sure you can reach the pedals when lounging back.
Nice.
Hit the like button. Very important. Wink wink. Install speed bumps in your driveway. Want to slow down your car before you even leave the house? Install a series of speed bumps in your own driveway. Bonus points if they're randomly spaced and sized for maximum inconvenience. Last step. Uncover the secrets of humanity. Thanks for watching. Bye.